Hi guys! If you need to enable sensitive content in your Telegram application on Android device, you can do this right from the application. You need to open a web browser and go to web.telegram.org to this website. Now enter your phone number with country code. Hit next and wait for a confirmation message to your application. If you don't see a pop-up message, open your Telegram and here is your code in the latest message, 42557. Let's go back to web browser, 42557. Now allow notifications, and now you are in the web interface of the Telegram. Now tap on three bars at the top left, go to settings, tap on privacy and security and scroll down to sensitive content and just enable this feature, which affects also your application. That's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.